Tamakay 4 and it's 17 degrees Celsius right now. There you go. Welcome to Makaya Lake. It's just like 7 minutes away from town. The balay kano dito eh. So looks like the lake is empty. No. Is this just one way, Mads? One way? No? Two way. We'll go to the other side. Wondering what's on the other end because we always go to that side. It's not accessible. We went there before. There's someone camping there, eh? So, there's really nothing in there. We'll just make a turn. Look at that. You can see the cars. They're also like 10 feet apart. Diba? The cars that are parked on that side. Oh guys, this is such a lovely place. It's very calm, serene, very quiet. It's the best spot to relax. It's nice and cold. Did na pa lang tayo dito may sangasay. It's windy now. Is there anyone swimming? Nya Mads, ket maglangoy. Ket maglangoy. Yeah. The water is clear. Look. Really, really clear. It's only the weather is hot. Alfred DigiBiz. Yeah, so this is what we do. During our days off, we just come here and relax. enjoy the nature. Contest. Mads, run! I'm the fastest runner. I won. All right. Let's go for another drive. So this is a place where Alfred teaches me how to drive. The heater is turned off though, right? It's still hot. Oh, we have walkers. So this is like the perfect time for most of the people to walk because it's not that really hot. So now we're at Mount Ivor Lake and we're going to see the other lake just like 10 minutes from here. Is this the dump site? Yeah, right? I'm gonna show you the dump site, guys. Nalampasan na natin? O pagbalik na lang. It doesn't really look like a dump site, you know, because it's really clean, it's organized. So it's 4:15 and the sun is shining so bright. Forbes Landing. Ikot-ikot. I like the color of that car. Avocado green. So ikot-ikot. It's a roller coaster ride. Yeah, even if we are on a quarantine, we still try to go out and go for a drive. Ayun kaya sagot takot sayangan. Sayangan man. We're almost at Campbell Lake, Upper Campbell Lake. Looks like it's gonna rain though. So it's a rough road. It's Alfred's favorite. Rocky road. Why do you love driving on this kind of road, Alfredo? You like it bumpy? You like challenges? So we're here in Upper Combo Lake, guys. There's one car in front of us. Alright, let's go. Oh, look at that, guys. They're having bonfire, barbecue. It's a family. And we're just going for a walk. We didn't bring any food because we're on a diet. Right? I guess Mataan haven't been here yet. Right? Mataan and Kuya Jerry? They didn't come here yet, so maybe one of these days we're gonna take him here. Because it's just so beautiful. It's relaxing. Wow. Can you hear the breeze, the wind? Strong. We have to run, Mads. Run! So from the parking lot, it's like 3 minutes walk to the bridge, the wooden bridge. It's windy. It's really windy. So there's no one in here, just the two of us. So this is the wooden bridge in Upper Combo Lake. I want to show you guys why this is one of my favorite spot in Combo River. It's just so beautiful. Look at that. The lake, mountain. It's just so beautiful in here, guys. So relaxing. Pamanan, Mads? Remember, last summertime? So last summertime, Alfred took a job here. And luckily he survived. Every time we come here, it rains. Now we're going back home. It's starting to drizzle. That's right, Matt. It's raining men. Hallelujah, it's raining men. Amen, it's raining men. So now we're going home. We went out around 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Now it's almost 5 o'clock. No, went out around 3 o'clock, not 2 o'clock. So we only spent 2 hours outside. And now it stopped raining. Look at the clouds. It's just so beautiful. Yeah, this is what I'm telling you, Mads. We have a little lake here. It's a small one. It's even closer to the fiber. Yeah, so we're just so grateful that we're living in this island, because even though we are on quarantine, we can still go out and, you know, enjoy this beauty while social distancing. And there's not a lot of people here in the island, so, you know, it's so safe to just take a walk and then get a fresh air. Like for some people, they just go to the lake and not do camping, because camping is not allowed right now. But they just go and sit, you know, beside the water. Just be with their family. Tomorrow we're going back to work again. It's gonna be on Monday. Oh, where is he going? Have you been there before, Matt? The one on that side? You haven't been there, I guess. To town. So guys, from Humble River town to Mackaibor, it's gonna take you like 7 minutes drive. From Humble River town to Upper Humble Lake, it's gonna be around 25 minutes, 25 to 30 minutes. It's the Lower Humble Lake. Now I'm feeling a little dizzy. Alright, so I forgot to show you the dump site a while ago. So now I'm going to show it to you guys. That's the one. You can't really be seen because of the trees. There you go. You see that? That's the dump site. You can't see any garbages. Nothing. Falls Provincial Park. Someone's walking there. This is the Quinsam River. I don't know if you can see that, but behind these trees is the Quinsam River. That's where they fish. Residential houses now. Shoppers Lane. I'll just go buy shampoo. Shoppers in Culture Road. Quinsam River Fish Hatchery. Been there with mom and dad last year. Ito salmon. Voila! We're in Campbell River Town. There you go, guys. And now my sister is texting. Damdamag na natin yung tan. Maybe it's dinner time. That's why they're asking where we are. Alfred's favorite road, Inland Highway. He likes it because there's not a lot of motorists, and the speed is way more fast. Like, how many kilometers per hour, Max? 110, guys. 110. 110. Oh, look at that. The clouds. Oh, the clouds, oh. So beautiful. The clouds and the mountain. There's still snow on top of the mountain. Campbell River Airport. The house is close to the airport, like 2 minutes drive, 2 to 3 minutes drive. It's spring. So now we're going home. Lovely pink blossoms. We're climbing up the hill. So my sister and brother-in-law are waiting for us. We're having some dinner. Well, now we're here. So this is a newly mowed grass. Alfred mowed it yesterday. Alright, so we're home. Remember, guys, to wash your hands. Stay in the house as much as possible. Always maintain a social distance. And don't forget to do some exercise as well. And if you're living on an island when you can go out, it's totally fine, so long as you remember to wash your hands and, you know, stay safe. Bye, guys. That's the dinner prepared by my sister and my brother-in-law. That's burger.
Burger day today.
Beef burger.
There's some chicken burger though.
Mine is a healthy one. Oh, beef is considered healthy too.
So
Everything is healthy, that's protein.
So there's a lettuce there. We have, what's this? Pickles.
Pickled.
Where's the tomato? There's the tomato.
And some cucumber and tomato, whoever likes the cucumber and tomato.
Cucumber and tomato.
Sliced cheese. Sliced cheese.
What happened to your bun? Look at your bun.
Yeah, I just wanted like that.
It's out of shape.
I just wanted a simple one. Because this is not the...
Yes, it is.
Ew, who are we talking to?
It's a food vlog.
Of course.
There's mine. It's chicken with onions.
Why did you pick
Alfred is
that
just ketchup.
bun? There's a lot of buns here. You
Just
picked
ketchup
that.
for Alfred.
It's alright. You picked this is a special bun there. Okay. Okay.
The smallest one.
There's some cheese.
Are you gonna warm it up?
Oh, here. Use this plate here.
I'm going to heat it up. What are you doing? Oh, God! What are you doing with your burger?
Create your own burger. With a twist.
Oh yeah, fried egg. Okay, I'll put mine in the microwave. Is that it? Done? Mayo, where's your ketchup?